Can an apple a day truly keep the doctor away? In some cases, they can. For National Apple Month, try these delicious apple recipes and boost your health. Apples have incredible benefits to your health. Apples are very nutritious because they are packed with fiber, calcium, and vitamins, and eating apples can greatly impact your health. Studies have found that apples could potentially reduce tumors in breast cancer patients. They can also help reduce the risk of liver and colon cancer. Here are 6 nutritious apple recipes. By including more apples into your diet, you can eat your way to better health. Here are some enticing recipes you might enjoy. Cinnamon Apple Energy Bites. Start the day off right with apple-flavored energy bars. This recipe calls for dried apples, dates, dry roasted almonds, oats, maple syrup, cinnamon, and allspice. The oats will keep you full longer, and the apples, dates, and almonds will give you energy. Plus, you can eat these bites on the go. Apple and Bacon Grilled Cheese. For your lunch, consider having a grilled cheese sandwich with a twist. This recipe calls for wheat bread, cheddar cheese, apple slices, and a couple strips of bacon. This sandwich makes for a yummy, quick lunch. Carrot Apple Slaw. If you need a side dish for your grilled cheese, consider making carrot apple slaw. This slaw is made with a lot of healthy ingredients, including 2 apples, carrots, yogurt, honey, lemon juice, feta cheese, and cranberries. The carrots and the cranberries in this salad have vitamin C and fiber, which can do your body a whole world of good. Cinnamon Apple Chips. Apples also make for a healthy snack. You can eat apple slices with peanut butter, or you can try making your own apple chips. This apple chips recipe is simple to make. All you need are apples, cinnamon, and sugar. Your apple chips will taste delicious with a caramel yogurt dipping sauce. This sauce is made with yogurt, maple syrup, brown sugar, and vanilla extract. Apple and cheddar quiche. Don't think you can have apples for dinner? Think again. You can make a quiche that's filled with crisp apples and cheese. The quiche crust in this recipe is made with cheddar cheese, thyme, and olive oil, and the filling is made with cheddar cheese, apples, and thyme. You can serve your quiche with a side salad topped with more apples as well as bacon crumbles. Quick apple pie. Apple pie is the classic apple dessert. Unfortunately, baking a homemade apple pie can be a bit time-consuming. You can bake your own unique version with whole apples, rum extract, sugar, pecans, ground cinnamon, and pre-made pie crust. Curious about other apple benefits? To discover more about this and other topics, visit themindfullivingnetwork.com, where knowledge is our mission. Thanks for watching.